The world is full of creatures of all kinds of colors and patterns, and such conspicuous colors make their beauty inescapable to us. But some of them are different. They choose to hide in plain sight. And are they too shy, or do they just want to be stealthy? Let us know a little more about the different types of ghostly, glassy, transparent animals that are lurking around us.
Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.
Number 10, we have jellyfish. Jellyfish that comes with the kinds of jellyfish, sea angels, sea cucumbers, sophonophora, and all things jelly-like. Probably the most common of the transparent animals are different kinds of jellyfish. As an cnidarian marine animal, the sea cucumber, sea angel, sophonophora, etc., all animals with a gelatinous body may appear as a jellyfish in the eye of a layman, but they're all different. Selves are groups of free floating transparent tunicates, while transparent sea cucumbers are like echinoderms. Sonophores, like Portuguese man o' war, are hydrozen, and sea angels are small swimming sea slugs. But there is one thing common among all of them, and is their glassy skin. Number 9. Glass frog. The arboreal amphibian has an almost transparent abdominal skin, which puts on display many of its internal organs, such as heart, gastrointestinal tract, and liver, and dorsal skin is less transparent, but still has a glassy appearance with a greenish tinge. The inside too is almost visible. Number 8. Warden Spring Salamander. The rare species of salamanders lives in the fresh water of the Warden Springs in Texas and has no lungs. The almost translucent skin, which gives it a rather albino appearance, allows the internal organs and sometimes even the previous stage food in the stomach to be viewed from outside. Number 4. Chaetodonta. These carnivores live in the polar region and feed on planktons. The predatory animals are mostly transparent and translucent. Their bodies are distinctly divided into head, tail, and trunk, and is a dart-like in shape and is covered in cuticles. Number 6. Glass shrimp, cave grapefish, transparent amphibots. There are several small crustaceans such as the transparent amphibots or Phronema from North Atlantis, and glass shrimp from Texas, and Cape Grapefish from Arkansas that adapt to the transparency as a survival strategy. These amphipods are deep sea creatures, while the shrimps live in freshwater and the crayfish live in caves. These amphipods completely transparent, and some of them can be quite vicious, such as the pram bug that devours its prey itself from the inside and hollows its way out. These crayfish and shrimps, both endangered species, are both pigmentless and white and almost transparent, and are often not visible against a water background or in the darkness, especially the shrimps. Number 5. Glass squid and glass octopus. The glass squid and the glass octopus are two octopods that people are hardly aware of. They lurk around the deep sea waters like ghosts. The glass octopus is quite unusual with little knowledge about the creature except the fact that it has been eyesight. The glass squid can hide easily from its predators as it appears almost transparent and has the ability to put off into a ball. Some of the glass squids are luminescent. Number 4. Glass-winged butterfly. These beautiful butterfly often go unnoticed by the common careless eye that not to see the opaque outline and veins such as the transparency of their wings that in Spanish call them espioles, which literally means little mirrors. They display many strange behaviors such as migration over long distances or competition among males to entice females. Number 3. Tortoise and leaf mining beetle. Many different kinds of turtle and leaf mining beetles, all with the different names. The carapace, head pattern, and the edges are all transparent, giving the beetle a fancy look. Though it is not entirely transparent, it is one of the most beautiful ones that clear shell and vivid patterns. The markings are all different in the case of different kinds of turtle and leaf mining beetles. Number 2. Fishes. Transparency being a clever defensive tactic, many a fish too has adopted this game plan. The Indian glassy fish is a still water fish with a transparent body that reveals its inside and its prey of the large predators. Human artificially tinges dorsal part of their aquariums in the Atlantic lurks that ghostly predator called the crocodile icefish. Besides the transparent flesh has a transparent blood too, owing to the lack of hemoglobin. It is the only vertebrate to have no hemoglobin in blood. A new species of transparent fish has been found in the Amazons. As the transparent Amazonian fish is extremely small and his body is transparent but beautifully tinged, with a bright blue stomach being visible vividly. Special fish is the category to the barrel eye of Spookfish, which is a complete transparent dome-like. While the rest of the body is not transparent, it has a transparent head that helps it look in all directions at once with its eyes. Embedded inside its head, there are some man-made transparent animals too, like the Japanese transparent goldfish and Boston zebrafish, both with transparency of skin and the pigmentation of flesh developed to study internal organs without dissection. And number one, transparent snail. The newly discovered snail has a semi-transparent shell which is beautifully shaped like a dome. These snails found in Croatia are minuscule and have limited ability to move. However, they are not completely immobile and their dispersal takes place largely through passive transportation via water or large mammals. Special mention should be given to the animals who have transparency in the larval state, such as eels, squids, shrimps, wanders, or bloody fish. The monarch butterfly in its pupa stage has a transparent covering. Some frogs in their tadpole state, such as Costa Rican tadpoles, are transparent. It is interesting how all the transparent animals try to hide themselves from the predators and in the process mostly end up burying even their internal organs. So that's all this for now. Till next time.